In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up locations for Zoho Books. This is an essential feature for businesses that operate from multiple sites or have varied distribution points, as it allows you to streamline operation and maintain better control over your logistical processes. Let's dive right in and walk you through the setup process. First, let's start by enabling the Locations feature within Zoho Books. To do this, head over to the Settings option located at the top right corner of your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Organization section. Here, you will see an option labeled Locations. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enable the Locations feature. By doing this, your current organization will be designated as the head office. It's a simple yet crucial step that sets the stage for managing all your locations efficiently. If you've been using the older branches feature, don't worry. Zoho Books provides an option to smoothly transition to the new Locations feature. You might notice a Migrate to Locations banner. Clicking on this will guide you through the upgrade process. It's seamless, ensuring you don't lose any vital operational data during the transition. Now that we've enabled the feature, the next step is to add new locations. Still within the Locations page, look for an option that says Add Location and click on it. From here, you'll need to make some selections to configure each new location precisely how your business needs it to operate. Start by selecting the location type. You have two options here, business or warehouse. Choose the one that best suits the purpose of the new location you're setting up. Following this, it's time to give your new location a name. This is how it will appear across your Zoho Books interface, so choose something that's intuitive and representative. If you find yourself setting up a location that falls under the operational umbrella of another, you have the option to designate it as a child location. Simply check the respective box and select the parent location from the drop-down menu available. This feature is especially useful for businesses looking to maintain a structured hierarchy between their various sites. Moving forward, you'll want to assign some critical elements to your new location. This includes selecting a primary contact for that location. Additionally, you should configure the transaction number series and select the default transaction number series applicable for transactions at this location. These settings ensure that each location operates with its tracking and management systems. Once you've completed all these selections and entered the necessary information, don't forget to hit Save. This action confirms that your new location is fully set up and ready to integrate with your existing operations. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully set up locations in Zoho Books, paving the way for more organized and efficient business management. Remember that these configurable steps not only optimize operations across different locations, but also offer a robust structure for growth and expansion.